Hey, I'm Rhea, and right now I'm going to walk you through an overview of the Render FX update, which is free for you if you own Render FX. We've got new models, new presets, and new features. You'll get a notification in Render FX, and you'll be able to download this free update. So let me show you. Let's take a ride. So we're going to open up Render FX. Keep in mind that the software loads really fast, but the model that you're running might take a minute. Once the main user interface opens, the first thing to always do, unless you've opened a saved file like I have, is click on Get Models. And that's going to open up the Model Hub where you'll see all of the models you're used to, plus a couple that are coming soon, and Dreamshaper XL Lightning, this one, which is amazing, and it is new with the free update. So that's the one we're using. We're going to click on Continue on Dreamshaper. We're going to choose our hardware. I'm on an AMD system. My system is going to run better on CPU with Dreamshaper, so I'll select that. And now we're on the final variants page. The best idea here is to click More Info, which is going to bring up the general requirements and the memory requirements. Now, I find the best practice here is to hit Control-Shift-Escape and bring up Task Manager. Click here on Performance. And now you've got your system specs, which you can cross-reference against what Dreamshaper or any of the models is going to require from your system. So Dreamshaper needs 24 gigs of RAM. I have 32 gigs of RAM, so I can successfully install this model. Click the Free Install Now button, and the installation will start in the Inventory tab. Once it's ready, you'll restart Render FX, and you'll have access to Dreamshaper. So now we're back on the main user interface. Let's click on AI Engine up here, and Settings. Enable Image Variants. This is batch mode. If I enable batch mode, when I hit generate on one of my prompts, it can create up to 10 documents with the push of one button rather than one at a time. So we'll keep batch mode off for now. And now let's make something. And let's go with one of the default prompts here. Portrait of a young woman in her mid-20s with long blonde hair, blue eyes, clear skin, and a relaxed, confident expression. That sounds really good. Below the prompt box, this is brand new. The presets, this is actually amazing. Tons of presets starting with Balanced, Default, Moody, Warm, Macro, Golden Hour, Backlit, Cyberpunk, etc., etc. Tons of very cool presets that we're going to try. So let's use this default prompt and try a bunch of presets with the same prompt and see what happens. Let's start with Golden Hour. And this is the real-time speed of the image generating. It takes about 10 seconds for me per image, which is way faster than the cloud apps that I've used. There she is. Got the warm, backlit, golden hour feel. Let's try another few. All of that in about 2 minutes. So I love these new presets, and I love Dreamshaper. So let's keep moving down. New in the free update is also the upscale option. This is to increase the resolution and enhance the detail. We have balanced, smooth, detailed, and neutral. So let's try all of these on this generation. Yeah, so we're loving the upscale option here. And finally, just below that, Smart Background Removal and Smart Crop. Look at how good Smart Background Removal is. It does a great job on the hair and the lines, and now you can bring this right into your editing software with so much control. And Smart Crop will take a really good guess at what you want in terms of highlighting the subject and getting rid of some of the background. Finally, when you've got something you really like, you can hit Save As and save your image as a PNG. And you can also save your project, which will allow you to collaborate with other Render FX users. So that's the new Render FX update. Get it for free if you already own Render FX, and go make something cool.